So
Rest
rest.
API. Huh.
Okay, usually in olden days, from long back, SOAP web services are ruling. So SOAP web services will accept only XML
XML.
inputs.
Hmm. Hmm.
So at that time, we are not getting much request, right? So less request we are getting, and XML is a heavy weight. Okay,
Right.
heavy weight. So now in recent days, we are getting more request, and we need to store more data into the backup. So at that time, XML is heavyweight. So that's why JSON, new
Hmm.
language has
Hmm.
introduced.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
JSON, it's a lightweight. Okay, so lightweight. So now, when they introduce JSON, SOAP web services are not accepting JSON request other than
Correct.
X. So
Huh.
that's why again they introduced REST APIs.
Hmm.
Okay, so this REST API will accept all type of formats: XML, JSON, flat files, text, HTML, all type of input data. REST API will accept.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's why new web services has introduced because of new language.
Hmm.
Correct. So now, do you have any idea about JSON?
I mean, I have not developed anything, but yeah, I'm aware of JSON.
Okay, so usually how we write JSON, implies. So how we wrote quotation? Anything will be in quotation only.
Okay.
Colon,
Yeah.
open brace, close brace, like this, and name Nishan, comma, age. So number not required in quotation. Okay,
Okay.
ID 1 2 3. So last column not required any comma,
Huh.
like this. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Huh.
so like this you'll write a JSON. So if employees has to accept multiple requests, so at that time we can use comma, like this,
Okay.
like this. But
Okay.
should provide, if it is array, we need to give this type of
Okay.
symbol.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so if it is only single, this flower bracket is fine. If you want to a complex type element has to accept multiple request. Okay, so we need
Uh-huh.
to give after colon this one. Clear, right?
Yes. And it doesn't retrieve data from database like for multiple requests we are writing like this. So if we have like 100 records, then 100 times do we have to write like this?
No, records will store, employees will store n number of records. So
Okay.
if employees has to store n number of records, so we have to give this symbol. Okay,
Okay.
only this one. It means the if you have the symbol, employees will accept multiple requests. It will store multiple requests.
Okay.
Okay, so for XML we have a XSD, right, to define
Yeah.
all the elements. But
Yeah.
this JSON, we don't have any XSD, so we need to define everything in a JSON only. There is no XSD like that. Okay, got it, right? Tejas?
Hmm.
Okay, so usually REST has multiple methods. Okay, get, put, post, patch, delete.
Okay.
These
Okay.
are the REST methods.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay.
we have a API to get the API data, whatever data exists in
Okay.
API.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you want to get, we can use get method. Okay, to get the details, to get the data. Okay,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
to get the data, input we can pass through URL
Correct. Correct. Yeah. Okay.
or URL only. So put method, it's like a update. Okay,
Okay.
we update and insert. Both
Okay.
operations will do.
Yeah.
So post means only up,
Publish.
create, create or insert anything.
Acha. Okay. Okay.
Same, create or insert same. But patch means only update. So
So.
after
Okay.
the record is existed in that API, we want to change elements,
Okay.
values,
Then we use it. Okay.
and
So
delete
put
means
and patch can do the same functionality, right?
no, no. Put means upset, update and insert. Like see,
Both
if
simultaneously it will do.
simultaneously in the sense, see we have, you
A
have a
put can do
background.
update also, right?
Uh, yes, yes, that's right. So
Yeah.
now in the database, okay, ID already exists. ID 1, ID 100 record we set. If ID 100, it will check already exist or not. If it is exist, new values will be updated. Okay.
Okay.
If 100 is not existed in the database, so it will create a
It
new
will
record,
have. Okay.
like merge operation. Okay, you got it.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ah, okay. So now we'll see few dummy APIs how it works. Okay. So soap web services we used to test in soap API, soap UI, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
But REST APIs we used to test in Postman.
Okay. Postman. Okay.
So okay, this is the Postman tool where we can test APIs. So, so I'll dummy API for testing. Okay, okay. So get method. Okay,
Good.
okay. So this is the REST API. So how we can test in here. We can click select method, paste, send. So it will showcase 200 means success response. Okay, so we can see how many records we can see. 100 records are there, right?
Mm.
So we can see what are the data available in that API. We can see if you want to see specific data like ID 100, so slash 100 we can give send. Okay, so if you want to see 12th record, 12th ID, we got it, right? So like that we can pass input through URL only.
I see. Okay.
Now, if you want to update one record into that API, so post method. So post method, this is the URL, right? So same URL only. Okay. Control A, Control C. Okay. So now I'll select method as a post, and inside body we need to pass input, right? Per post
Mm-hmm.
body we need to select raw. Then here these are the formats it will accept. So I'll select JSON. Okay. So here I'll provide. So input data. This is the input data, right? I'll select this. Okay. So I'll make it this something new. Nishan testing. Okay. So I'll see 201 created. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So we cannot see why, because this is a dummy, right? So this is how we can pass. If you want to pass any authorization here, we can pass Berry token, JWT, basic application, OA, like this we can pass.
Okay. It will just take some time for me to understand. Maybe I have to do it.
Yes, it's fine. Okay. These are
I mean,
JSON,
I
right?
understood the concept, but it will take some time. Okay.
Yeah.
So if I
So
want to
we
put
develop.
post and post, get post. Okay.
So get, if you want to
Ah.
get data from API.
Hmm. Okay.
Can we develop a REST API for
Yeah.
concat? Okay.
Yeah.
Now we want to develop a REST API. Till then we have developed a SOAP, right?
So
For SOAP
yeah.
we need visual URL, visual
Yeah.
file. But REST
Yeah.
not required anything. Why? So directly I will create a connection
Okay.
for REST API. Create REST. So I'll select the concat underscore. No, REST underscore pagel underscore trigger. Okay. So I'll select the trigger connection. Create. So REST connection, it's very straightforward. Nothing has to provide any input for trigger connection. Just select authentication. That's it. So anywhere, same connection we can use. No need to create multiple trigger connection.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because nothing is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So go back.
Very
Integrations. I'll develop integrations. Create application concat underscore rest underscore Tejal. Okay. Create. So here I'll select our REST connection.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll provide concat, continue. So employ,
Okay, here you have to provide the method, right? Okay.
yes, yes. Get method I'll select. So in the
Mm-hmm.
get method, we are passing input in the URI parameters. Select this. Response we need, right?
Mm-hmm.
So select this, continue. Okay. So yeah, so we need to pass parameters, right, in the URL.
Mm-hmm.
First name, I'll make it as first name here. First name, type as a string. Okay. So one more, last name, type as a string. Continue, continue. So response, how we need response? JSON only, right?
Hmm.
So JSON inline. I'll click here. So I'll provide JSON structure. Okay. What is the element? Full name we need, right? Like this. I
Mm-hmm.
won't provide any in data. Just I'll mention the we need
Okay,
response
okay.
full name. That's it. So continue, continue, and finish. So in the mapper, so response wrapper, full name, right click, create a target node, developer mode. Here I'll write concat of, so query parameters, first name comma last name, close brace, validate. Fine, right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Same like
And concat
so.
is the method, right?
Uh,
String method.
yes, yes. So here I'll write business. I'll add business identifier, first name or last name, anything I'll provide. So I'll go back. So I'll activate debug mode. Activate. Okay. So we'll rest. We can test here only. Okay. Run. See, it is asking first
Okay,
name and
okay.
last name.
Hmm.
See, you can see here in the URL first name, last name, Nishant
Okay,
Reddy.
it's
Yeah.
changing. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So I'll run. See, I got Nishant Reddy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So same thing can we do now? If
Hmm.
select security policy to basic authentication.
I don't have to select anything else, right?
No, no, no. Just create. Rest proposal addition. You are going to do addition. Okay.
This will be standard.
No, not standard. So, oh yes. So you nothing. No, no. Don't select anything. Just continue.
This too I have to select because I want to give, right?
Yes, yes, correct.
And this one, what is the
Yes.
endpoint?
Yeah. Slash v1 slash v1 slash just v1 number one numerical one. Yes. Slash concat or addition, anything we can provide.
Okay. Um,
Yeah. Uh, click, double click, next left side tab also. Yeah, type X or something. Where one? Okay, fine. Inline. Can you come down? Come down. No, no, no. Just a JSON only. Come down. Inline, inline. You can see, right? Go top. Little bit, little bit. No, no. Drag and drop. Next to drag and drop inline. Yes. You have to.
and I have to define.
Just double quotes. That's it.
An addition get. Um, Anything else? Element.
No, no. Continue. Finish. No, don't touch.
Um, what to do? Sorry.
Yeah. Right click. Create a target node. Yeah. Developer mode. First developer mode.
Yeah,
Right side top. Right.
yeah, 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 yeah. 1 second. Yeah.
That's it. So validate. Mm. Add business identifier.
Then how to run?
Run. Three dots. Run.
Okay.
Yeah. Body. Yes. Run.
Okay.
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 Yeah. Same thing. Can you do in post method? So in the post method, we need to pass input in body.
Okay.
Now try.
So should I create another connection?
No, not required. Same connection you can use. Just create a project.
Uh, so again, I have to go here and run. No, I have to
No,
change
no,
something, right?
no. Create a project.
Okay, okay.
Cre-
Connection
Create.
don't need. Just create a new one, no?
Yes, yes. Integration directly integrate.
And it will be rest post, right?
Mm.
Create same connection I'm using, right?
Mm.
The first one.
So you are okay. Yeah. Yes, yes. You do it concat or audition only. Fine.
I'll yeah. And
Continue.
here it is post, right?
Mm. So you need to select request and response, not parameters.
Uh,
Now provide URL also. See, just now we have seen right slash post slash
uh-huh, uh-huh.
something. So slash
Uh-huh.
v1 slash addition like that we can provide. Just click continue, you'll get error. Every time you need to provide a resource path.
Okay.
Before v1 also provide slash v1 slash addition.
File is required.
Mm-mm. One second. So in the request inline you need to provide right JSON
Um, yeah. So here result
mm.
only.
Yes, where one where two. No, no.
Oh,
Request right.
while one. Okay, okay, okay. And then result also. No, result will be configured, right?
Yes, yes. In the response we need to provide result. Comma where one comma.
Hmm.
That's it. Continue. In the response tab, you can provide
Hmm.
yeah inline.
Continue.
Fine.
Inline.
Inline.
Okay. It will take some time for me.
Yeah, that's why we'll do simple.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
And here also again mapping has to be done for post also.
yes.
Okay.
Remaining is same.
Mm-hmm. I forget.
uh, right click, result
I
right
did. I
click,
did.
create a target now.
Developer mode. And
No,
here,
no, request wrapper. In the request wrapper you can see where one and where two.
I need lot of practice. Okay.
Yeah, now go and test. Yeah, define.
Uh,
Body, click body. So we passed body.
okay. And run, right?
Yes.
I need to practice this. Okay. Got it. But you will showcase in real time example also, right?
Yeah, yeah. After this,
Value
just
will be
rest.
value will be
Rest
passed from
it will be small.
one application to okay.
Yes, yes.